due to be changed about a good 6, maybe even 12 months ago. When you stink out the van.
You, more like it. I reckon you're just going to be buying a new pair.
No, you got to be positive. Yeah, so finished up Saturday afternoon and time to hit the water.
Hey, welcome back to another video. We are in Exmouth staying at a friend's property out here for the next week. It is the second week of school holidays, so the caravan parks are fully booked up. We have been at work all day today and it's a stinking hot afternoon. So we're gonna head down to Pebble Beach, which is near where we're staying. And yeah, drive onto the beach and have a nice chilled afternoon by the water. Look at this. I've been craving this all day.
Yeah, this is so good. And it's like 1 minute from where we're camping.
And I saw some whales poofing in the distance over there.
Hey, spoofing around.
There you go.
Alright, in you go.
Let me show her. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, your turn. Oh. Oh, I'm Bryce. Hi. It is.
My mind is wide and aching at the core.
This morning we've come out to Charles Knife Canyon and up to the Thomas Carter Lookout to go do a bit of a walk. So we're not really sure what the walk's going to be like, but it is a beautiful day so far. Sun's out, not too much wind, and should be really good.
So it says this walk is 4 hours and 6.8 k's return. Not sure if we're gonna do the whole thing or if we're gonna get to the lookout and then turn around and get back. Just see how hot it gets out here.
We've been walking for about 15 minutes. Shot hole lookout is 1.8 k's ahead, or there's a 3.2 k loop to the lookout. So I think we're just gonna go directly there and maybe directly back, depending on how we feel when we get to the lookout. Fly net time.
Haven't used these in a while. Ooh, sexy.
Check this good look. Fly net time.
Pretty attractive, hey?
Looking good, I like it.
They were really annoying me, so. And I hate when they get under my glasses, the flies. So I had no other choice. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
It's been a while since we've used these.
Like ages.
We're nearly at Shot Hole Canyon Lookout and it's starting to look pretty cool.
2.5 k's later and we're nearly here. It's been a pretty easy walk, but there isn't lots to see along the way. It's fairly just the same thing, dirt track. So hopefully the lookout looks really good.
Have a look at that.
Wow, I look so stylish right now.
Working it.
And the high socks.
Yeah, black shoes, black socks, and then a little light outfit. Got it going on.
Yeah, scarlet.
It's heating up.
After about a 5k walk, we've made it back and it's just starting to heat up. So good thing we did. Just gonna smash some water now and we're gonna head into town and hopefully hit a cafe for lunch. We haven't really had much food in Exmouth yet besides from the bakery. So we thought it's probably time to try something different because there's a few different quite cute cafes.
Well, the idea for a cafe went out the window for lunch, so we ended up at Froth Brewery instead, and much happier about it too. Time to do some food shopping and then we'll hopefully head down the beach. Yeah, send it.
That's so good. So after work today, I went out on a friend from work's boat and I ended up catching a couple of fish. So we've got fresh fish for dinner tonight. They've already half filleted and cleaned it for us, which is awesome. I'll show you what I caught.
This is a bit rough. I've been out working, Chelsea's out playing, and I still have to fillet the fish. Bit rough.
You want to eat tonight, don't you?
Yeah.
Sorry, 10.5-hour day for you. Aren't you impressed though?
No, you've done a good job. I think it's awesome. No, it's great. Providing, feeding us.
Woohoo! School holidays in Exmouth is finally over, so we're back at the RAC. This would have to be our favourite place to stay in Exmouth. We've got the pool, we've got the camp kitchen, we've got just a really nice big site. Glad to be back, Bryce?
Yeah, it's going to be nice. I can just walk to work in the morning. Chelsea doesn't have to get up at 6 o'clock to go drop me off at work every day.
Got the camp kitchen, pool over there. That's where I'm going to be making heaps of sourdough and muffins.
Oh yeah, keen as. And we're back close next to the breweries.
That's pretty dangerous though. And then we've got some bush tomatoes. A heap of them over there, and then a heap more here too. I wonder if somebody just threw out some old tomatoes one day and they've just gone crazy from there or what? That's pretty cool.
All right, enough chit chat. Time to get set up. Now that we're all set up at the RAC, this has been a long time coming this. We've got ourselves a new roof hatch to put in the bathroom. So the one we've got is a little bit rusty. It's started to fail a little bit. So we've ordered this and it came earlier in the week. So that's what we're going to be doing now, is putting that in. I was going to do it earlier, but the sun was smashing the van, so it was way too hot to do it. This is the new roof hatch, and it's a little bit of an upgrade. It's got a fan in it as well. I'll take you inside so you can see what the old one looks like first. So you can see all the rust and the little bit of just mank on it. It's a bit old, yellow. See all the rust up the top here. We actually haven't opened it for like the last month or so because we're too afraid of it breaking. Hey there. Check this bad boy, all the rust just growing on here. And we've lost even a few plastic bits here. So luckily it hasn't actually disappeared altogether, this lid. Yeah, this was definitely This was definitely due to be changed about a good 6, maybe even 12 months ago. Alrighty, I've got it all cleaned up and ready to Sikaflex and screw down again. While I am up here though, I'm gonna have to clean this solar panel because it is filthy. So that'll be our water seal test. I'll blast the solar panel and hopefully we don't get any leaks through this roof hatch. So we've Sikaflexed it all up, sealed it up, so it's all ready to go and time to head inside and sort out the electrical. After messing around a little while trying to work out where the power was and what was live and what wasn't, it's all sorted out and it's all connected and the fan works. And it's going to be great for when Chelsea's dropping some deuces in the morning. When you stink out the van.
You, more like it.
Wow, this looks so much better than the last one. No more rust. We've got a new fan so we can suck out the air and looks really good. Let's just hope it doesn't leak. All finished up with the roof hatch. We did get that one off of eBay. It was about $80–85 delivered, so that turned out really good, and it's nice to have a fan in there too. It took me about an hour and all I used was a tube of Sikaflex and make sure it's white so it matches everything and looks nice on the roof. Well, we had excess Sikaflex and I paid way too much for these thongs and I haven't got the life out of them yet, so we're going to fix them up. Sort them out good.
Oh wow, you left them out in the sun, that was your issue.
Yeah, that's alright. This is going to fix them up good.
This is so bogan.
No, it's not. This is good for the environment. I could have just thrown them away and got a new pair.
True.
See?
Environmentally friendly bogan.
That's it. Now I've got to find something heavy to put on. Nice heavy bucket of water will fix this up. What do you reckon?
A little bit more on this one. A bit, yeah. Oh no.
Might take a few goes and I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow.
I reckon you're just going to be buying a new pair.
No, you got to be positive. We are putting out videos fortnightly at the moment because we are working, but that should hopefully end in another few weeks. We should be out of here mid-November-ish and back on the road making videos and getting some good content for you guys. If you've enjoyed this one, make sure to like and subscribe and we'll see you next time. Catch you later.